How to delete call history permanently from SIM card on Android. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Since there is no any direct way to permanently delete call history from your SIM card particularly, you can actually try to reset your SIM card. If you somehow want to delete the call history from your mobile device, you can tap on the phone icon, then just tap on the select all button or a tick box. Then tap on the particular select all button and select on the delete option. This will delete all of the call history permanently from your device. Now, if you want to delete it permanently from your SIM card, you can try to reset your network settings. In order to do so, tap on the settings option. From here, tap on the search icon and search for network. Select on the network management option. From here, you need to head over and check for your SIM card option. From here, tap on the reset option. Then you can select on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then you can select a particular SIM that you wish to reset and tap on reset setting. After which the call history might be deleted permanently from your SIM card. That is all for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.